Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to configure router tree to support SSH connections. Firstly, I will configure a domain name on router tree with the command IP domain name, and the domain name is CCNA and then I will configure users for login to the SSH server on router tree with the command username with the user and the highest privilege level and the password. The highest level privilege is 15. Now I will configure the incoming VTY line on router tree. And I accept only SSH connection, so I will enter the command transport input SSH. If there are any existing key pair on router tree, you should remove it before generate other ISA encryption key pair. The next step, I will configure RSA encryption key pair, and the size of the key is 1024. Now we should verify the configuration. As you can see that the authentication timeout is 120 seconds and the authentication retry is 3 times. So I will configure to edit or to modify the configuration. Firstly, I will configure SSH version 2 and I will modify the timeout to 90 seconds and the authentication retry is 2 times. Now we will verify our configuration. As you can see, the version, the timeout and the retry is correct. Now I will connect to router tree via telnet from ECC. On PCC, I open the command prompt and telnet to router tree. As you can see, the connection is failed because we configured router tree accept only SSH connection. Now I connect to router tree by using SSH. Enter the password. Successful. Now we are on router tree. And we can show some configuration on router tree. We can connect to router tree from router 2 by using this command. That is, now we are on router 3. We can show the running configuration on router 3. Okay, so now we check for the result. As you can see, we get the full score. Thanks for watching.